of service and the personification of excellence.
Preach it!
These core values have driven the Air Force to break every barrier since 1947, transforming from the Army Air Corps to the most dominant air power the world has ever seen, the United States Air Force.
Get on, brother!
Embracing a tradition of honor and a legacy of valor, we present to you the Ambassadors in Blue, your United States Air Force Honor Guard Drill Team. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Staff Sergeant Kevin Deleuze of the United States Air Force Honor Guard Drill Team stationed at Joint Base Anacostia Bowling in Washington, D.C. Distinguished in a rich tradition and history, the airmen of the drill team continue to represent those who paved the way, from the prestigious Tuskegee Airmen in 1944 to future chiefs and commanders. Equipped with an M1 Garand service rifle with a fixed bayonet, each drill team member is wielding a piece of U.S. Armed Forces history that has protected freedom since World War II. Throughout the performance, the drill team members engage in dangerous weapon exchanges and complex manuals that require absolute focus. However, I encourage you to applaud and cheer at any time. You will not break their concentration.
Holy crap! Yeah!
This is way cooler in person than on YouTube. Sir.
And now, leading the charge, Captain Braxton Tuato of your United States Air Force Honor Guard Drill Team.
I love you! I want to try and break my bearing.
You can't, you won't. It's not gonna happen.
Don't be stupid, dog. You see my uncle with the sword? I told you. Hey, your uncle.
Wait, Dad?
Wait, Dad!
You see him back there?
Is that you?
He's in the back, you see? The resemblance is uncanny.
Resemblance is uncanny.
No
That
balls.
was beautiful.
The Air Force mission is to fly, fight, and win. Representing the standard for airmen across the globe, the drill team demonstrates fortitude and intensity while spinning their weapons in close proximity, showing levels of determination unmatched by any other professional drill team in the world. Observe the trust displayed by these airmen as they blindly throw their weapons to supporting wingmen. Let's hear it for your team, ladies and gentlemen. The Air Force continues to evolve into a stronger and more efficient fighting force, thanks to the men and women who have embraced change and make up a culture of constant innovation. The drill team is no exception to this. Though we create a new routine each year, one tradition remains the same: the use of the drill team's line formation. Watch the domino effect created by the quick reflexes of the drill team members, and then make some noise and shout some love. The louder you cheer, the harder they will perform.
Wow! Bro, Keith could never do this. Wow!
Oh my god, they're so annoying. Yep. Oh my god, I know terms. Shut up.
Here's your close shave, ladies and gentlemen.
He broke his bearing.
Who did?
The announcer? Yeah, he was back.
Okay.
How? Why?
Do a flip.
Hey, do a flip. Gunshot, gunshot!
Folks, let's give it up for your team.
Gotta be loud. It's hot.
The drill team recruits, retains, and inspires as the traveling component of the Air Force Honor Guard. This 220-member unit is comprised of competitively selected airmen from every Air Force specialty and executes a full-time ceremonial mission.
Oh my god. Ooh, they scare each other.
Oh, did you see that?
I'm gonna nut myself.
Really?
Hey, Philip.
I win.
If only our RTC could do that.
True.
Never.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking though.
Huh?
You could if you try harder.
I'm not in this though.
Me neither.
I'm not in the expedition team, so.
That's a knife.
Yikes.
And I can't join because nobody wants me in there anyways.
Dude, I think the...
Look at the guy's glasses. It's in the middle of the second.
Oh my god. His glasses fell.
If we should fail to continue sharpening America's edge, we endanger our security, our people, and our way of life. This is no more evident than in this last sequence, which showcases teamwork, precision, and unwavering mutual trust. Please direct your attention to Captain Tawado as he attempts to march up and back through the narrow gauntlet of spinning weapons.
No, chill, buddy.
Look at his glasses, bro. They're off him and under his chin. Oh no. He flicked them off. He flicked them off. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, representing every member, past and present, of the United States Air Force, your United States Air Force Honor Guard Drill Team! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your unwavering support of your drill team, and we wish you a pleasant day.
He broke his bearing.
What did he do? Oh, he picked up the glasses.
And a metal phone.
I was finna jump up there and get them sunglasses.
How did a metal fall, dude? They're gonna be in so much trouble.
I was finna jump up there and get them sunglasses.